Now we are going to know about the species. Come on with me.
Today we're going to learn about different species and their importance in the ecosystem.
Okay. The objective of this project is to know the importance of species in our environment.
Okay. Yeah. The two lions behind me are the white lions, or their scientific name, Panthera leo melanochaira. Their natural habitat is South Africa. They live in savannas, woodlands, and other habitats like that. The abiotic factor would be the water they drink, the shadow where they rest, and a rock where they hide to prey. The biotic factor would be all their prey or all the animals they eat. The position in the food chain would be the tertiary or sometimes the secondary consumer. The consumer type would be the carnivore because they eat meat. They have an important role in the food chain because they control the herbivore population from increasing in their amount, and also they keep the little carnivores from increasing and spreading any disease to the farms or anything like that.
This is a zebra. The scientific name is Euryus burchellis. Plain zebras live in treeless grasslands, woodlands of eastern and south of Africa. The gravy zebras live in the arid grasslands in Ethiopia and northern Kenya. The biotic factors of the zebras are several predators including lions, hyenas, leopards, cheetahs, and the different climate that's desert, and there's no abiotic factors of a zebra, although the zebra does exist alongside abiotic factors. The level of a zebra in the food chain, it's the second level, that's a primary consumer, which are herbivores that eat plants and grass. The importance of zebras on the food chain is that they keep insects that could potentially be pests at bay and keep the grass from overrunning the area. Without the zebras, there would be a possible extinction of the predators, including lions, hyenas, etc.
There's no. Hi, my name is Brian, and today I'm going to talk you about the Harris hang, also known as Parabuteo unicintus. Its habitat is in the southwest of United States and most parts of Mexico. The climate is that they live in tropical regions with high rainfall, dry and arid regions. Its biotic factors are all the species that the animal eats, like snakes, mice, frogs, squirrels, and other animals. Also, the top of the trees where they rest. Its abiotic factors are the rocks, the soil, the water, sunlight, air, climate, rain, hills, temperature, and air mass. Its position in the food chain is tertiary. The consumer type is carnivorous. The importance in the food chain of the species is that if it disappears, it will have a disbalance and it will have an overpopulation of mice, snakes, frogs, and other types of animals.
¿Y si no le...
X.
si no le ponemos subtítulos? The Phoenicopterus, or better known as the flamingo, tends to live in large lakes and ponds like lagoons. They tend to like it where the temperature is warm but they seem to do well in cooler climates, but their preference is the one that are warm. As long as they have the room and plenty of food, they are counted in any environment. Their abiotic is algae. Their biotic is the condition or the dependence they have on the rain to help them, such as water and temperature. Second consumers. They're in the chain. They are the second consumers, and they are omnivorous. Their help in the food chain and the importance they have in the environment is that they consume large amounts of aquatic invertebrates, crustaceans, and algae. Likely has a large impact in their population.
Hi, I'm Fer and I'm going to be talking about the caiman. The scientific name is Alligator mississippiensis. Their habitat. The caiman are aquatic reptiles that live in rivers, marshes, swamps, lakes, and mangroves. They usually prefer still or slowly moving freshwater habitats, but some species will tolerate faster brackish or even saltwater habitats. Biotic and abiotic factors. The abiotic factors are tropical and subtropical heat, water bodies such as lakes, river, and sandy areas to lay eggs, and the biotic factors are the prey such as fish, turtles, and various mammals. The position in the food chain. They are on the level 4 of the food chain. They are carnivores that eat other carnivores, and they are called tertiary consumers. As I already said, the consumer type, they are carnivores, and the importance in the food chain. Its importance is that it is a carnivorous animal, and this favors to the number of prey does not grow, destabilizing the ecosystem in which they live.
This is the ocelot. It is also known as Leopardus pardalis. Its habitat consists of most of Central and South America. It can live in jungles, forests, and even plains. It lives mostly in hot climates. For the biotic factors, we have the animals and plants that live in its environment, and for the abiotic factors, we have the shadows created by the trees, which help it. It is a carnivore, mainly eating birds, reptiles, and other smaller mammals. It is a tertiary consumer, and it sits comfortably at the top of the food chain. Its purpose in the environment is to get rid of plagues and overpopulated beings. Like, basically what it does is like pest control. It eats the overpopulated animals. Conclusion.
It is important to know about the species in our environment and the impact in everyday life.
It's also important to know how to take care of them and know the consequences of them if they disappear. Bye!
Really gross. Really gross. Tearing it apart.
Disgusting.
Delicious for him.
Ay, no, yo no puedo verlo.
Yum, 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 yum. Delicious.
No, no puedo. I'm going to talk to you about the Harris hand, also known as Parabuteo unicinctus. Rock, soil, and scents of the trees in
Dale, Tefis.
Uy, va a coger.
No, soy Spider-Man negro.
La India. Güey, ya.
¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde están los carros?
Now,
we're going to learn about animals. Dale esa chingada.
Y ahí viene un chaneque en su hábitat
Aquí
natural.
podemos ver a un cheneque en su estado natural.
Y se ve enojado.
Se ve enojado,
No se acercan.
se ve pisteado. Tal vez era el calor, tal vez era la falta de agua.
O será porque la dejamos atrás. Se está escondiendo, le tiene miedo.
Se está escondiendo el espécimen. Pero nos intentaremos acercar para estudiar su hábitat natural. Puede que sea un poco violento. XD. She's a maniac.
Espérate, ¿dónde nos digo?
Hasta la próxima.
Bye, bitch. XD.